Hi parents! Discover Parasol Clean+Pure natural baby wipes made with 99.9% reverse osmosis water for ultimate purity. These hypoallergenic wipes are pH balanced and perfect for sensitive skin, healing and protecting your baby's delicate skin naturally. Each wipe is ultra thick, crafted from medical grade spun lace fabric that lifts away messes easily with fewer wipes. Enriched with a touch of aloe, they leave skin feeling fresh and soothed without any residue. Parasol wipes are free from harmful chemicals like alcohol, parabens, fragrances, and dyes, ensuring safety for your little one. Designed sustainably, the resealable pack dispenses one wipe at a time to reduce waste, and the boxes are made from 100% recycled cardboard. Experience premium, gentle care with Parasol, a brand created by parents for parents who want both beauty and safety. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.